Good morning to my two good hands. We are out on the driveway. We are at the motorhome. We are looking to make a grill, a brush grill. We're going to put a brush grill on the front here because when you go to Yellowstone, places like that, you know, out west, you got wildlife. You want to make sure you got a good brush grill. Hey, it's the Ford Econoline 350 or 450 cab. You can buy one for like $2,500 because these were ambulances and ambulances had them. So you can go buy one new, or you can try to scrounge and find a used one. They tie in real nice to the frame and everything, but they're hours to put on and hours to take off. To get in my garage, I need to take the rear bumper off already. I don't need to take more front gear off. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to retain this factory bumper down here. I'm going to put it up here. I'm going to make it come out in front of that factory bumper. I'm going to add 2 receiver hitches to the frame so that it slides in and out real easy, just like you do a trailer hitch. So here's the big thing. I've got an 1880 Greenlee bender. Everybody says you can't do 180 degree bend. Well, I've got to come right here. I got to come down and around and back out. I'm going to do 180 degree bend with that bender. So stay tuned and watch that. This will be epically easy, I think. The Greenlee bender set to load the pipe. So we need to measure up 40 inches and put a piece of tape because we need to pipe for the other side. So 40 inches, throw away the threads. It's right about here. That's where our first bend starts. Load her in. All right, tape's right on the mark. That's in. Wheels in. This is in. Right on the mark. Some tension on it. Looks like we got a little tension. So what we're going to do now is we're going to bend this thing. We're going to pop it up a little past 90, and we're going to work it around the wheel. So this may not be easy, but it may be. Let's see if we can get it off once we bend it 180. They say you can't, but I'm saying I can because I'm special. All right, here we go. Doesn't look like we can go any farther. We're a little past 90. So grab the handle, release the clatter. Boing! Now, we got to index the pipe. We got to pull this out. Pull the pipe out. Index back to start. Here we go. We're going to load it back in. Try to index it. May not get a perfect 180, huh? Well, we've got it pulled as tight as we can against there. So it's hitting this wheel here. We may not get a perfect 180. We may have a little step in there. I don't know. But we're going to bend and see what happens. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my two good hands. All right. Relock. Lever. Start bending. Oh, let's check it, see where we're at. It looks like we're too far. 15, 13, we're one click too far. Probably don't matter. We got springs open. It's probably pretty close to right now. 14, 14 and 15, a little bit out. Nobody will ever know. We'll straighten that thing up. The question is, can we get this out? Can't get it out by hand, so we beat it out. Yeehaw! Okay, so it looks like we got it out. Oh, there you go. Hey, Greenlee, 180-degree bend pretty much there, ain't it? Huh? Not bad. It's a little out. I'm a little bit too bent, closed. Maybe I can bend this open. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Look at that. A little bit of flexibility in it. So, there you go. You can see, nice and straight this way. Pretty good bend. See if we can make another one and have two. So here we are with the Greenlee bender. Look at that. We have bent two pieces identical here, all the way up to the ends being exactly the same too. Now we got to start bending from here this way to cup around the body. We got to do some measurements, get some angles, and we'll continue on this project. There you go. A Greenlee 180 can do a 180. A Greenlee 1880 right there. We use the 1880. It's 1.25" pipe. We use the 1.25" roll. We did have a little issue with the bigger side. If we really wanted to get a true 180, I think if I took a saw and cut some of this off, I would be ruining my die. But dies for this thing are like $80 to $100. So if you want to do a lot of sweet 180s, you could. You can tell there's a little bit of a flat spot in there. It's not quite a 180. If you look real close right here, it ain't quite perfect. See what I'm talking about? But there we go. So there's our tool tested, a Greenlee 180 bending 180-degree bends. You saw it here. You can do it. Hey, I put this thing together for under $800 shipped to my house. I'd love to have a rogue bender or somebody like that, but I just can't spend the $3,000 bucks. So hey, here it is. Now, when I'm done with all my bending work, maybe I can sell this. I see them online with all the dies and everything for $2,000, all right? I have all the dies. Dies were $60 to $100. I paid $300 for the base. Right now, I've got 4 dies. I got almost all of them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll enjoy it. You'll enjoy it. We'll catch you in the next video.